Question 22. The gradient function of a curve is given by the expression 2x plus 1. If the curve passes through the point -4, 6, A. Find the equation of the curve. B. The values of x at which the curve cuts the x-axis. Now this question requires us to remember concepts of both differentiation and integration. So the gradient function of a curve is given by the expression 2x plus 1. So the gradient function dy over dx is equal to 2x plus 1. And the curve passes through the point -4, 6. We are required to find the equation of the curve. So given the gradient function, to find the equation of the curve, we need to integrate the gradient function 2x plus 1 with respect to x. So y will be equal to 2x will now become 2x power 2 over 2 plus 1 will become x and then plus c. So simplifying this, y is equal to x squared plus x plus c. Now note that the curve passes through the point -4, 6, where -4 is the value of x and 6 is the value of y. So using the two values, we can obtain the value of the constant. So y will now be substituted with 6. So 6 is equal to -4 squared plus -4 plus c. So 6 is equal to 16 minus 4 plus c. So 6 is equal to 16 minus 4 is 12 plus c. So 6 minus 12 is equal to c. So -6 minus 12 is equal to -6, which is equal to c. So the equation of the curve will be given by y is equal to x squared plus x minus 6. Now there are 3 marks for this question. 1 mark is for integrating the gradient function. The other mark is for determining the value of c. And the other mark is for getting the equation of the curve. Then we are required to find the values of x at which the curve cuts the x-axis. So the equation of the curve is given by y is equal to x squared plus x minus 6. Now at x-axis, the value of y is equal to 0. So 0 will be equal to x squared plus x minus 6. This is a quadratic equation, so we need to look for two numbers, p and q, such that if we multiply p by q, we will get -6, and if we add p to q, we will get 1. Now the two values are -2 and 3. So substituting them in the original quadratic equation, we will have 0 is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. So 0 is equal to, comparing the two terms, x is common. So if we factor x out, we will have x minus 2. Then plus, comparing the two terms, 3 is common. So we will have x minus 2. Now these two factors are the same. So x minus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. This means that either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. If x minus 2 is equal to 0, then it means that x is equal to 2. If x plus 3 is equal to 0, then it means that x is equal to negative 3. So the values of x at which the curve cuts the x-axis is x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to negative 3. Now there are 3 marks for this question. 1 mark is for equating the gradient function to 0. Then the other mark is for solving the quadratic equation up to the point of multiplying the two factors. And the other mark is for getting the correct values of x.